Today let us introduce this simple version 1500 watts 4-in-1 laser welding machine. As you can see, it is very beautiful and compact. It not only can do the laser welding, but also laser cutting, laser weld seam cleaning and remote laser cleaning. It is consist of the main machine, wire feeding machine and laser head. Before we use the machine, please make sure that never point the laser head to any person for safety. Now we will introduce the machine use details for you. The machine wire connection is very easy. Because the machine current is very big, we usually need to connect the wire directly to the switch. The red wire is the live wire, will be marked as L. The green wire is the neutral wire, will be marked as N. The yellow wire is earth wire, will be marked as P. Please make sure the wire connection is completely correct. There is an air switch at the back of the machine as the machine total controlling switch. Also there is a gas pipe port. As you know, when the machine is working, we need to ventilate the laser head with nitrogen or argon. The diameter of the machine air tube is 6 mm. We will configure 6 mm and 8 mm connectors to connect to the air tank for you. The pressure of the air tank is generally very high. We need to use a pressure reducing valve to reduce the pressure. The air pressure suitable for the machine is 0.2 to 0.5 MPa, cannot be more than 0.7 MPa. There are two connection wires for the wire feeding machine. Insert the two wires into the wire feeding machine corresponding port, like this. About how to install the wire feeding machine and wire feeding tube to the laser head, there is another video to introduce, no introduction in this video. After we open the machine front door, we will see the chiller. The above is water inlet, the below is water outlet. If the water in orange area, there is too much water, we need to reduce the water by the tube. If in blue area, it is okay. If in red area be lack of water, we need to add the water by the black cover. Before sending out the machine, we will remove the water completely. Please add the suitable water before you begin to use it after the machine arrival. Usually we need to completely change the water 2 months at a time. Please note about the water, it is better that adding pure water or special coolant. In winter, it is better to add special antifreeze, cannot call antifreeze. After the wire connection, we have to install the laser head and wire feeding machine well. There are other videos, no introduction here. Now the machine connection is over, let us turn on the machine. Turn on the air switch. Turn on the machine back air switch. Twist right the red button. Twist right the key button. Press down the blue button. Now the machine has been opened. The default control system is the laser welding system. You can set the laser welding parameter as you want. Now we will change the system language to English. Enter the password 123456 to enter the system setting, and change the language. There are 19 languages available, you can choose what you want. Press save and return. Now the control system language has been changed to English successfully. Press technology to enter the welding parameter. We can set the scan speed, scan width and peak power to get different welding effect. The setting is like this, please kindly check. Usually we just need to set these 3 parameters for different thickness materials. This is the general welding setting. After the setting, press import to save and press return to back. You can choose whether open the laser source or not by pressing the laser enable. Also, you can choose the welding mode continuity or spot welding by pressing it. Now the welding system introduction is over. We will show you an operation. Turn on the air switch. Turn on the machine back air switch. Make sure the wire feeding machine connection wire connected correctly. Twist right the red button. Twist right the key button. Press down the blue button. Now the machine has been turned on. Also the wire feeding machine. Make sure the gas tube connected correctly and open the gas tank. Now everything is ready. Press the laser enable and start the welding. When we do the welding, please make sure that making the clamp on the welding object and keep connection well. Let us enjoy the welding. When we finish the welding, close the laser enable. Turn off the blue button, key button and the red button from bottom to top. Put the laser head onto the side bracket and make sure the optic fiber not bending too much. Turn off the machine back and the total air switch. Also the gas tank. If you want to do the laser cutting, just close the wire feeding machine and replace the laser head copper nozzle. No need to change the system. This is a general laser cutting setting. Please kindly check. If we want to do the laser welding seam cleaning, just close the wire feeding machine. Change the laser head copper nozzle to this. Reduce the machine peak power to a suitable value and then we can do the laser welding seam cleaning directly. If we want to do the remote cleaning, we have to use the remote cleaning kit. There are a focus lens and a protective cover. There is another video to introduce. No introduction here. The well-installed laser head is like this. Also, we have to change the machine system to laser cleaning system. Press the refresh button at the right upper corner. Press the continue button. Now we need to restart the machine. Press down the blue button to close the machine. Press down the blue button again to start it. A few seconds later, the machine will be turned on. Now the machine system has been changed to laser cleaning system successfully. After open the laser enable, we can do the remote laser cleaning. Please do not forget the remote laser cleaning also requires the gas to protect the laser head. Now the machine comprehensive introduction is over. Hope it can be very useful to your business. Thanks for your watching. If any question, please contact us.